nicest person I have ever met in this industry. He's just genuinely, inherently a kind person. And
South Beauty Pooja Hegde is quite busy with a bunch of projects. She is busy completing the shoots of her Telugu movies as well as her Hindi projects. And today in this video, we will talk about her upcoming films. Number 1. Beast. Beast is an upcoming Tamil language action film written and directed by Nelson Dilip Kumar and produced by Sun Pictures. After a long search for the female lead, the makers of Thalapathy 65 Beast brought Pooja Hegde on board as Vijay's romantic interest in the film. On the eve of Vijay's birthday, which also happens to be Nelson Dilip Kumar's birthday, the makers of Beast released the first look poster of the film and the title. Vijay is seen in a rugged look holding a gun in the poster. Number 2. Radhe Shyam. Radhe Shyam is an upcoming period romance film written and directed by Radhakrishna Kumar, starring Prabhas and Pooja Hegde. Radhe Shyam is a film that Pooja Hegde has been doing for a long time now. The film has been on the floors for over 2 years and the pandemic did not help matters much. Now Pooja Hegde is almost on the verge of finishing the film. It was supposed to release on July 30th but was postponed due to the second wave. Number 3. Circus.
and you make that extra.
Circus is an upcoming Hindi language comedy film directed by Rohit Shetty and produced by Reliance Entertainment, T-Series and Rohit Shetty Pictures. The film features Ranveer Singh playing a double role for the first time in his career, with Jacqueline Fernandez and Pooja Hegde as female leads. The film, which Ranveer recently wrapped up, is said to be an official adaptation of 1982 film Angur and is scheduled for a December 31st release. Number 4. Untitled film with Dhanush.
Very nice. Every day you make one for me, and that
Famous director Venkat Luri impressed Dhanush with a script and the project starts rolling this year. Pooja Hegde has been approached and she loved the script. She gave her formal nod and things will be finalized as per availability of the dates. Number 5. Untitled movie with Mahesh Babu. Pooja Hegde is all set to romance Mahesh Babu in Trivikram Srinivas movie which will start rolling soon. If the rumors turn out to be true, the film will mark Pooja Hegde's third collaboration with Trivikram, post Arvind Sameta Veera Raghav and Ala Vaikunta Puramalu. Number 6. Untitled movie with Pawan Kalyan.
Of life, we risk a lot, so many.
If reports are to be believed, Pooja has also given approval for Pawan Kalyan's next with Harish Shankar. However, an official announcement is awaited. Number 7. Acharya. Acharya is an upcoming Telugu language action drama film written and directed by Koratla Siva. It is produced by both Maritime Entertainment and Conidela Production Company. The film features Chiranjeevi, Ram Charan, Kajal Agarwal and Pooja Hegde in the leading roles. The film was scheduled to be released on 13th May 2021 but has been postponed due to the second wave of pandemic. Number 8. Most Eligible Bachelor.
కొంచెం వైల్డ్గా థింక్ చేయి.
Most Eligible Bachelor is an upcoming Telugu language romantic comedy film written and directed by Bhaskar and produced by Bunny Vas and Vasu Verma on GA2 Pictures. It stars Akhil Akkineni, Pooja Hegde and Esha Reba. The film was scheduled to release in theaters on June 19, 2021. However, due to the ongoing pandemic, the film's release has been postponed to a later date. A source close to the film reconfirmed that the film will only release in theaters and not on the OTT. Number 9. Bhaijan.
जाति क्या है, धर्म क्या?
Farhad Samji's upcoming film Kabhi Kabhi Diwali has been tentatively renamed as Bhaijan. The film that stars Salman Khan and Pooja Hegde in the leading roles is slated to hit the theaters on Diwali 2022. As per reports, producer Sajid Nadadwala is already planning the poster launch. A source close to the film says, since the movie focuses on the bond of brotherhood, Salman, Farhad and Sajid feel the title Bhaijan perfectly captured its essence. So these were the upcoming movies of Pooja Hegde that will release on the silver screen very soon. That's all in this video. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed our video. And make sure to press the bell icon. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one.